Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin! So, first let's head into our settings. Let's scroll down a little, enter display and touch, and then let's make sure that we have our adaptive enabled, because if we don't have it enabled, then our auto brightness won't be enabled. We can also click the arrow key, and whenever we increase the adaptive brightness, by the way, we have a very nice information about how it works, and we have some information like your screen brightness will automatically adjust to your environment and activities, and you can still move the color manually to have adaptive brightness to their new preferences. This is very good and very cool to have it on. And if back, there's actually nothing more we can do. And having just that enabled, that's it, should fix any kind of issue related to that feature. However, if it's still not working for whatever reason, I would just advise you expand the control center twice, and then in the bottom right corner the power icon will appear. You want to click it and then restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you restart your device, you're not only restarting the software, but hardware as well, including the sensors responsible for getting the light info, so you know how much inside the basement you are, or in our seriousness, it knows the light levels around you, and then it feeds that information to the auto brightness feature. And yeah, to be honest, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, as always, watching.